Hi everyone! I have a book to read to you called A Butterfly is Patient, since we're studying all about caterpillars and butterflies this week. Caterpillars come in many different sizes and shapes. Look at all these different kinds of caterpillars. When you're outside, you might start to look for some underneath leaves and in the bushes or in the grass. Let me know if you find any. A butterfly is patient. It begins as an egg beneath an umbrella of leaves, protected from rain, hidden from creatures that might harm it, until the caterpillar inside chews free from its egg case, tiny, wingless, hungry to grow. A caterpillar feeds on leaves, eating so much that it must molt or shed its skin many times. It can grow up to 30,000 times larger than it was when it took its first bite. A butterfly is creative. Once a caterpillar has eaten all that it needs, it creates a protective covering called a chrysalis. Curled inside the chrysalis, it is growing wings. Now it is time for metamorphosis, changing from one form to another. Metamorphosis, changing from one form to another. A butterfly is helpful. Butterflies, like bees, help pollinate plants so that they can reproduce or make seeds. As a butterfly flits from flower to flower, sipping nectar, tiny grains of pollen cling to its body, then fall away onto other flowers. Seeds are only produced when pollen is transferred between flowers of the same species. This is called pollination. Did you know that butterflies help with that? A butterfly is protective. Butterflies use their wings to protect themselves from predators such as hungry birds, lizards, and other insects. Some butterflies have markings on their wings called eye spots. Scientists don't know what they are used for, perhaps to scare away predators or attract mates. Wings can help butterflies camouflage or hide themselves in the environment. One kind of butterfly, the peacock butterfly, makes a hissing sound by rubbing its wings together when it is alarmed. A butterfly is poisonous. The warning colors of some butterflies' wings, yellows, reds, oranges, whites, and blacks, tell predators that they are poisonous or bad tasting. Monarchs and pipevine swallowtails eat poisonous plants as caterpillars so that they become poisonous as adults. Birds and other insects have learned not to eat them. A butterfly is spectacular. Look at all these different kinds of butterflies. A butterfly is thirsty. To find flowers, butterflies smell the air with their antennae. They taste with their feet but sip nectar, the sweet liquid produced by many flowers, with a proboscis, a tongue that coils and uncoils. A butterfly is big. The rare Queen Alexandra's birdwing is the largest butterfly in the world, with wings that can span up to 1 foot. That's about this big. Can you imagine seeing a butterfly that big? A butterfly can also be tiny. The smallest is the rarely seen Aryan small blue, found in Afghanistan, with a wingspan of less than 1/3 of an inch, about the length of a grain of rice. So the biggest one is about 1 foot wide, and the smallest one is as big as a grain of rice. A butterfly is scaly. A rainbow of shiny, powdery scales covers the wings of a butterfly. Scales stacked like shingles on a roof. Without scales, its wings would be as transparent as the wings of a bee or a dragonfly. You can see this one is a magnifying glass showing you all the scales of the wing. A butterfly is not a moth. Butterflies and moths belong to the same family of insects. They are the only insects with scaly wings, but there are differences between them. So don't get confused. Butterflies and moths are not the same, but they do come from the same family. A butterfly is a traveler. Most butterflies, such as the red admiral or the common buckeye, migrate a short distance to find a warmer place, but some, like the monarch, travel far. Although monarchs weigh only as much as a few rose petals, they can fly almost 3,000 miles from Canada to their winter home in Mexico. They fly all the way across North America, from Canada to Mexico. A butterfly is magical. Monarchs gather in huge numbers in the forests of central Mexico waiting for spring. Then they fly north to the milkweed plants in North America, where they lay their eggs. Now it is time again for their metamorphosis, changing from one thing to another. A butterfly is patient. The egg hatches, the caterpillar emerges, feasting on leaves before it wraps itself into its warm, protective chrysalis, patiently waiting. To soar. The end. I hope you enjoyed A Butterfly is Patient. Next time I see you will be on Friday, and I will show you a special project. I'll see you then. Bye.